Hey everyone, Lawrence here with Rivo, and in this video we're just going to do a quick walkthrough of the VIP program. So you'll find this under Programs here in the left hand menu under VIP. At the very top here you'll see we have a VIP program status. So if I want to enable or disable my VIP program, all I have to do is toggle this switch on or off. Below that we have our VIP tiers, so we can create as many VIP tiers as we like. We do need to have at least one, and we find that at least 3 VIP tiers works best for the stores that we have worked with. Below this we have some program settings, including the program start date. So if I want to change the start date of the program, I can do that here. Now we can only account for activity from when you had the app installed, so that's important to remember. The entry method we can change by clicking edit, and there are 3 entry methods into our VIP program. So it can be based on the points earned, the amount spent, or the number of orders placed. And then below this we have an expiration, so this is how long you allow customers to achieve a VIP tier in your store. So the default is a lifetime, so customers can take as long as they want to reach the next VIP tier, or the other option is a full calendar year, which, as you can see, is the more aggressive option. So this introduces a time limit of 1 year that a customer has to unlock the next VIP tier. So let's take a look at editing individual VIP tiers. So to do that, I'm just going to scroll back up to VIP tiers and click on one of my tiers here. So my second tier is bronze, and as you can see, you need to spend $3,000 to get into the bronze tier. So when I click edit, you'll see I have a few options here. I can change the name of the VIP tier. I can change the amount required to unlock this tier. And I can also change my icon here. I have a default icon, and if I want to upload a custom icon, I can do that here and just add in my own unique image. Then we have rewards that we can add that are unlocked when a person achieves this tier. So I can go in and click add reward, and I have an amount, discount, a percentage discount, free shipping, free product. These are online store rewards, and I can also create some POS in-store rewards, so amount, discount, and percentage off. Now, additional benefits. So these are custom benefits that you can add for VIP tiers when they're unlocked. So these can be set up via Shopify Flow or other apps. If you would like to, for instance, have certain sales and collections be available to certain VIP tiers. So you would need to set these up using whatever app or workflows that you have, and these additional benefits will show up on the VIP tiers when they are unlocked. We can also set custom ways to earn for each VIP tier. So to do that, I'll just go in here and click add way to earn. So we can set individual ways to earn for placing an order and celebrating a birthday. So let's set a way to earn for this VIP tier for place an order. So this is a great way to encourage people to unlock tiers because you can add more points for the higher tiers. So this overwrites the global earning value for the place an order way to earn. So I'm going to go and edit this. You'll see we have the earning value for members set up for 1 point for every dollar spent. So for my next higher tier, I'll want to add in a higher value. So 2 points for every dollar spent. And then I can also do this for each other VIP tier. So if I click edit on the silver tier, that's my next higher tier, add a way to earn, place an order. Now I can set the earning value for points earned for every dollar for the silver tier, so I'm going to increase this to 4. So this means that as my customers move up tiers in my VIP tier program, they're going to be earning more points for every dollar that they spend depending on their VIP tier. And you can also do the same for the celebrated birthday way to earn. Again, this will overwrite the global value, and you can add a separate value for each VIP tier. So for the lowest tier, I'm going to give 100 points, and then for the higher tiers, I can add more points for each tier as it's unlocked. So these are great ways to incentivize moving customers up those tiers to unlock higher earning values and more points on things like birthdays. Okay guys, so that's it for the VIP program. If you have any questions, you can always start a live chat by clicking this button here in the app, or check out our help center right here. Thanks so much.